Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're back with a quick tech tip. Today we are going to be showing you how to remove the door panel on your 2016 to 2021 Camaro. This information should be useful in case you need to get to the backside of your door panel for whatever reason you see fit. First thing we are going to do is remove the cover behind the door pull handle. This will expose the bolt that is going to be needed to remove the door panel. Remove the panel pad to expose another bolt holding the panel to the door. With the covers removed, locate the 3 bolts holding the panel to the door. There will be one under the armrest just below the trim, another located toward the center of the door panel, and the one at the top behind the pull lever. Remove all 3 7mm bolts to loosen the panel from the door. Follow the edge of the door panel and find a location that will work best to get behind the panel. Once a spot is found, use a trim tool to pop the plastic retaining tabs out of place. These retainers will be all along the edge of the door panel and will pop loudly when they have been removed. The last clips that will need to be removed are going to be at the top of the door panel. These clips are very hard to remove and will require us to pull the panel with a bit of force to unclip them. Take your time with these clips so you do not damage anything. Once those clips are removed, we can access the backside of the panel to remove the cable from the door release and unclip 2 wiring harness terminals. To remove the cable, push the tab and twist the cable to remove it. For the electrical harnesses, pull back the red tab and squeeze the clip. Now with the panel removed, we can access the backside to replace a window motor, take a look at some wiring, swap in a new speaker, or just add some dampening material to quiet down our ride. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about Camaro products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.